welcome back to another video. Yes, we're back into the jam. Okay, we're back doing what we do best, and that's making videos. But yeah guys, so today, as the title suggests, we are gonna be attempting, we're not gonna speak negativity over this. We are definitely going to be starting a business in 30 days. So this is episode 1 of the series. I actually want to do the series like leading up to when the business has actually like started and launch day. I'm so excited. So today I'm going to be making some products. For now, what I want to do is I want to make the hair care products. I think today I'm going to do the deep conditioner. I may do the leave-in conditioner, I'm not sure yet. And then I think another day I'm gonna do the candles. So there's actually 4 products that I want to do. I want to do the deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, oil, and candles. Actually 5 products, there's one more thing, but the 5th thing I haven't completed yet, so I'm working on that. But yeah, so today we're gonna be making products. So what I'm gonna do first is don't mind my shirt, guys. You know how it is when you're in your house, like whatever goes. And I sound real nasally because I have a little bit of a cold, but it's not taking me out. I'm taking it out. Yeah, I don't feel too bad. The past 2 days I felt a little bit, off, but now I'm feeling a lot better, even though I'm still congested. But yeah, so let's get into it. So right now I'm gonna be washing the containers, so let's grab those. All right guys, so these are the containers. So I'm going to be using these 8-ounce containers for the leave-in conditioner and the deep conditioner. And then I have 4-ounce amber bottles for the oil. So are they 4 ounces? No, these aren't 4 ounces. These are 2 ounces. Yeah, so 2-ounce amber bottles for the oil. So I'm going to wash all of these containers, and then we're going to jump right into making the products. So let's go. For the longest, I've wanted to start this business, and I've been like doubting myself, like so unsure. But then I had to remind myself like who God is and what he's capable of. And if he has placed this thing on my heart, then I'm going to definitely go ahead and do it. So that is what I've told myself, like 2025. I am going for everything that has been on my heart, everything that God has wanted me to do. I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and then just trust that he's gonna show up and do what he does best. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So let's start this business in 60 days, guys. I hate the way I sound real nasally, like it's so annoying, but whatever. I'm gonna take them out, rinse them off, and then I'll come back once it's all done. Okay, y'all, so that's everything drying. And as I'm looking at everything, I definitely need more oil bottles. That's for sure. Yeah, so I already had the oil infusing for a couple of weeks. So once the bottle's dry, then I'm gonna pour the oil in. Ooh. But let's get into making the deep conditioner and the leave-in conditioner. So let's go.